Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download receipt bank replacement options for US taxes, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type receipt bank alternatives for US taxes. Press the enter key to initiate your search. Review the search results for suitable options. Consider popular alternatives like QuickBooks, Xero, and Shoeboxed. Click on the link of your chosen option to visit the official website. Once on the website, locate the Download or Get Started button. Click on that button to begin the download process. If prompted, select the appropriate version for your operating system. Wait for the download to complete. Once downloaded, navigate to your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to open it. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the software. During installation, you might be asked to agree to the terms and conditions. Review these terms carefully before proceeding. Once installed, open the application from your desktop or Start menu. Create an account if required by entering your email and setting a password. After account creation, log into the application. Follow any initial setup prompts to configure your preferences. Link your bank account or upload your receipts as instructed. Explore the features to familiarize yourself with the software. Check for any tutorials or help sections for beginners within the app. Begin organizing your receipts and preparing for tax. Regularly update the application for new features and improvements. Keep track of any necessary tax documentation throughout the year. This will help streamline your tax filing process come tax season. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.